Hi viewers, this is Vetravel. Today we can discuss about how to create the production group in the DPM and how to add the disk storage in the DPM console. So we can install the DPM agent in one of the server and we are going to schedule the backup. So let's begin. Open your DPM console and go to the management section. So click the production section. You can see here there is no production group. So first we are going to add the storage. Click the management and go to the disk storage. So here we are going to add the storage. We don't have the any disk storage, so we are going to configure the iSCSI control. Click cancel and switch to another server. And go to the server manager, go to the file and storage service. We are going to configure the iSCSI. So click install the iSCSI target, click next and click next and install. So in DPM server we don't have the any disk, so that's why we are going to configure the iSCSI service. So we are going to create one virtual disk. So that disk we are going to attach in the DPM server. So now the iSCSI service is installed. Just to close the and create new virtual disk. So we have the only one volume, so go to choose the type custom path and browse. Here we can create one new folder, DPM storage pool. Select the folder and click next. Type the virtual disk name. I'm going to type the storage one and click next. So we are going to specify the size of the disk should be 10 GB. Click next and create new iSCSI target. Click next and the target name should be, go to your DPM server and check the name of the server. Open the properties and this is the server name. So we are going to target the virtual disk to this server. Click next and add. And choose the server name. Click OK. And click next and click next and create. So now we have created the one virtual disk. So this disk we are going to attach in that DPM server. So now you can see the status of the initialization is 11%. Once got 100%, we are going to connect. So now the iSCSI target initialization is completed. So we are going to connect the virtual disk into our DPM server. So open your DPM server and go to the server manager and click the tool and open the iSCSI initiator. So the service is not running, so we are going to restart the service. So target should be, so previously we have created the virtual disk, so we are going to connect that disk. So my server IP is 192.168.74.129. so click quick connect. You can see here the login is successed. Click done. So go to the another server and you can refresh the page. You can see the storage is connected with your server. So you can see here the status is changed. Now the virtual disk is connected with your DPM. Now we have successfully added the one disk into the DPM. So now go to the production group. Before creating the production group, we are going to install the DPM agent into server. Go to the production server. There is no agent installed yet, so click add and choose the Windows server or the VM server. So we have the Windows server and click next. So install the agent and choose the server and add. Click next. Add the administrator password. Click next. So click no. I will restart the selected computer later and click next and install the agent. If you want, you can close this window and you can monitor this installation percentage in production server section. So now the installation is going on. Go to the monitor section and see what is the error. This is server issues, so we are going to attach the agent in the server. Go to the server, open the admin share and switch to the program files and open the Microsoft System Center and DPM. Open the production agent. Open the RE and now you can install the DPM agent. Click expect the license. Before we have tried to install, it is not happening because of the firewall is blocking the installation. So now we are going to directly attaching the agent in the server. So the installation completed successfully. Just to close this one and go to this PC and choose the C drive and the program files. Open the data production manager, DPM and bin. Open the command prompt, set dpm server.exe -dpm server name server.01. This is my DPM server name. So we have successfully attached the agent into domain controller. Just go to the DPM server. So now we are going to install the agent. So go to the management, production server, add, choose the Windows server, and now this time we are going to choose the attached agent. Click next and choose your server. Type the administrator password. So click next and attach. So now you can see here, now we have successfully installed the agent into the production server. So now we are going to configure the production group. Go to the production and click new and click next and choose the server. If you going to product your Windows 10 means you need to choose the client option. So we are going to product the server operating system. Click next and expand the server. I am going to choose the system production. Click next and type the production name. Click next and choose the rotation range. I am going to choose the 1 day. So every day 8 o'clock it will take the full backup. Click next. So click next and create the group. Now we have successfully created the production group and close. Under the replication creation in progress and go to the monitor section and see the data transfer between your DPM and the production group. Go to the today job. Now we can see here the domain controller backup replica is creation is going on. So like that you can create the backups. So for example, I am going to create one more group. This time I am going to take the backup in my DPM database. So click next and choose the server. Expand the SQL database. So I am going to choose all the database. Click next. Type the name of the database and give the rotation range. So click next. So now successfully allocated the disk space in the DPM. Click next. And create the group. Now we have successfully created the new production group for the SQL database. So you can see here the replica progress is going on. So go to the monitor section and you can review your jobs. Now you can see here the data production backup is completed. So this is the data transferred to DPM. So now go to the production and see your data backups. So this is a healthy. So now we are going to recovery part. So if you want to recovery the data means go to the recovery part. I'm going to recovery my domain controller system production part. So choose this and click the recovery and click next and copy to the network folder and click next and browse the path. So I am going to store in file share. Click OK and click next and click next and recovery. Like that you can configure the production group and take your important server backup and application backup. Thanks for watching.